Example sentences. Misalai a jimlace. I need a short break. Ina buƙatar ɗan hutu gajartacce hutu. I need a short break. I need a short break. I like sports. Ina son harkar wasanni da tsalle-tsalle. I like sports. I like sports. I am going to the airport. Zan tafi filin jirgin sama. I am going to the airport. Ina tafiya filin jirgin sama. I am going to the airport. I am going to the airport. I want to see my landlord. Ina so na ga mai gidan hayar da nake ciki. I want to see my landlord. I want to see my landlord. He is a former minister. Shi minista ne wanda ya riga ya sauka. He is a former minister. He is a former minister. Get a porter for me. Samo min ɗan dako. Get a porter for me. Get a porter for me. The moon is bright tonight. Watan akwai haske yau da daddare. The moon is bright tonight. The moon is bright tonight. Use your right foot. Ka yi amfani da ƙafarka ta dama, ko ki yi amfani da ƙafarki ta dama. Use your right foot. Use your right foot. What will you cook? Me za ki girka ko me za ka girka ko me za ku girka? What will you cook? What will you cook? Look at that house. Kalli gidan can. Look at that house. Look at that house. That, sai an gada tsina harshe. You need to bite the edge of your tongue. Bring me cool water. A kawo min ruwa mai sanyi. Bring me cool water. Bring me cool water. Who took the money? Wa ya ɗau kuɗin? Who took the money? Who took the money? Listeners, the effort is brought to you by Phenomenal Success Academy. Love you. Bye for now.